How to connect the remote control to the TV.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect the remote control of your device to your TV. Whether you've just purchased a new TV or you're having trouble pairing your remote, we've got you covered. So, let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
Before we dive into the pairing process, it's important to make sure that your remote control is compatible with your TV. Most modern TVs come with their own remote controls, but there are also universal remotes available that can work with multiple TV brands. Check the user manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm compatibility between your remote control and TV.
Preparing the remote control.
Now that you've confirmed compatibility, let's prepare the remote control for pairing. The first step is to insert batteries into the remote if you haven't done so already. Most remote controls require standard AAA or AA batteries, but check the user manual for the specific battery type and placement.
Powering on the TV.
Next, make sure your TV is powered on and tuned to the correct input source. This step is crucial because the remote control needs to communicate with the TV to establish a connection. Use the TV's own power button or the power button on your existing TV remote to turn it on.
Pairing process.
Now that everything is set up, it's time to pair your remote control with the TV. The exact process may vary depending on your TV brand and model, so we'll provide a general overview of the steps involved. 1. Look for the pairing button or menu on your remote control or TV. This button is usually labeled as Pair or Connect. 2. Press and hold the pairing button on the remote control. The LED indicator on the remote might start blinking, indicating that it's in pairing mode. 3. On your TV, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for an option related to remote control pairing or connection. This might be listed under Bluetooth, Accessories, or Remote Control. 4. Select the option to pair a new remote control. Your TV will start searching for available remote controls. 5. Once the TV detects your remote control, it will display the remote's name or model number on the screen. Select the remote control from the list to initiate the pairing process. 6. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. Some TVs require you to enter a pairing code displayed on the TV screen using the remote control. 7. After completing the pairing process, your TV will display a confirmation message, and the remote control should now be connected and ready to use. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your remote control to your TV. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows and movies with ease. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.